40,000 kilometers above the surface, the true scale of the theater becomes clear. Every detail monitored, every movement tracked. Suddenly, the radar detected the trails. As the satellite view confirms, these missiles were ascending rapidly, leaving little time for a response. This simulation demonstrates the unprecedented speed and maneuverability of the new class of hypersonic missiles now being developed.
From this vantage point, the launch appears routine. But the implications of this technology continue to escalate tensions across the globe.
Deep within the Pentagon's medical wing, the situation was rapidly escalating. We're losing him.
Get me the vitals now. Readings are stable, Doctor.
The missile, designated Flight 427, launched successfully, but veered off course just moments later.
As the clock ticks down, the situation in the South China Sea reaches a critical threshold. The world watches.
From this vantage point, the global reach of these arsenals becomes starkly clear. The red arcs represent the maximum.
The data stream confirms the target's trajectory. Military intelligence suggests it is heading for the southern exclusion zone, but we cannot be certain yet. As the targeting systems came online, several major US cities were designated as primary targets. In a world of increasing uncertainty, these civil defense simulations are vital. They represent the front line.
The command center monitored the escalating situation closely.
Colonel, the telemetry data is spiking right here. We have confirmation on the target.
Deep within the command center, the officers monitored the skies, knowing that one wrong move could trigger global thermonuclear war.
This new generation of unmanned ground vehicles utilizes advanced sensor fusion to identify and neutralize emerging threats in real time.
As the threats evolve, so must our defenses. The shield of the past is no longer enough. The Pentagon, a symbol of American military might, rarely sleeps. Even at sunrise,
the documents, marked Top Secret and Eyes Only, reveal a covert operation spanning decades.
As the budget reaches an unprecedented $175 billion, the focus shifts to the modernization of the naval fleet.
this is the Golden Dome, a massive leap forward in strategic defense, hidden beneath the ice.
The Situation Room became the epicenter of the crisis.
If we lose the satellite link, we are blind.
We have to assume the worst-case scenario, Doctor.
As the final segments locked into place, Project Skyfall became a reality. The Earth was now fully encapsulated.
As the hours turned into days, the weight of the decision rested heavily on the command. Every move calculated, every consequence considered.
Across this sprawling complex, defense contractors are working to secure the future. These are the proving grounds for the next generation of military technology. Orbiting at an altitude of 500 kilometers, the satellite network provides an unbreakable shield.
From the deserts of the Southwest, the missile program represents the next evolution of strategic deterrence.
Traveling at hypersonic speeds, the interceptor missile seeks its target high above the atmosphere. The margin for error is almost non-existent.
AI threat detection systems. The AI threat detection system locks onto a target. The AI threat detection systems are fully operational.
Space had indeed become the battlefield they feared. The Fifth Fleet engaged the unknown hostile force, resulting in an immediate and catastrophic loss.
Low Earth orbit, or LEO, is the busiest stretch of the new frontier. It is here, roughly 1,200 miles.
At the heart of Boca Chica Chica, the scale of SpaceX and SpaceX's ambition is evident.
The Starship and Super Heavy, seen here on the orbital launch mount, represent a radical new approach to spaceflight.
With the ignition sequence complete, the three cores of the Falcon Heavy generate over 5 million pounds of thrust.
At T++3 minutes, the onboard computers initiate the payload fairing separation sequence.
The deployment sequence begins as the clamps release the satellite into a vacuum of orbit.
A constellation of nearly 5,000 satellites now blankets the globe, providing unprecedented access. The targeting mechanism, seen here undergoing final calibration, represents a significant leap forward in autonomous defense systems.
This level of precision engineering is unprecedented. The ability to recover and these assets.
A successful launch from the guided missile destroyer. This rapid deployment showcases the fleet's readiness.
The data visualization confirms our suspicions. We are looking at an unprecedented level of activity along the established frequency bands.
As the military footprint expands into the Arctic, the focus shifts to sustainability. These new initiatives are crucial for reducing the long-term.
A crucial element of the initiative is the unprecedented private-public partnership, combining resources for rapid technological advancement.
Maintaining the fleet requires precision. Every component, down to the final weapons payload, must be integrated flawlessly under the watchful eye of the loadmaster.
This secure satellite encryption ensures that the data stream is impervious to interception. The signal is then uplinked to the orbiting relay.
The launch signature was detected at 0410 00 Zulu.
The high altitude detected the convoy crossing the Outer Mountains at 0800 hours Zulu.
These space-based sensors represent the cutting edge of military intelligence, monitoring activity across the globe with unparalleled precision.
The Global Coverage Dome, seen here during its final deployment sequence, represents the pinnacle of military engineering.
Nestled deep within the Arctic Circle, Site 48 remains the Alliance's most secure outpost. Deep within this frozen landscape lies the Sentinel Array, a critical component of the Northern Defense System.
This footage confirms the launch detected at 04 localized time. The missile successfully cleared the pad and is proceeding towards its target coordinates.
Captured via high-altitude thermal imaging, the three armored vehicles maintained a consistent speed, their heat signatures stark against the cold desert night.
Utilizing advanced algorithms, the system designated the object as a priority threat. The trajectory analysis confirmed it. The threat classification screen processes raw data from global sensors. As the alert level rises, with the solar arrays fully deployed and the targeting systems engaged, the interceptor array is now fully operational.
As the main capacitor reaches peak charge, the system verifies the target coordinates. The beam
cluster. The kinetic kill vehicle doesn't rely on explosives. Instead, it uses the sheer force of impact, traveling at hypersonic speeds to As the convoy navigated the treacherous ice shelf, the lead APC lost traction, resulting in a catastrophic impact. As the debris enters the upper atmosphere, the friction alone is enough to generate temperatures exceeding 3,000 degrees Celsius. The satellite imagery confirms the deployment, 3 distinct plumes visible as the missiles track towards the upper atmosphere, entering the next phase of their trajectory.
During the annual Dark Guardian exercise, the system experienced a critical overload. The control room had only seconds.
The question of autonomous response has long plagued military planners. Yet, as demonstrated by Unit 7,
the transition to status red confirms the activation of the Aegis protocol, a necessary step when all other safeguards have been compromised.
The backup satellite activation sequence was initiated. Against the odds, the system achieved full operational status, restoring the crucial link.
The visualization demonstrates the AI's processing speed. What takes a human operator minutes, the machine calculates in Operation Icebreaker pushes deeper into the unforgiving landscape, testing the limits of both man and machine.
Deep within the facility lies the override room. Should the primary system be compromised, the final decision rests in human hands. These satellite feeds provide an unprecedented level of detail, allowing commanders to track targets with pinpoint accuracy.
Redundancy layers were implemented following the 2008 incident, ensuring communications remained secure, even in this remote sector.
When the indicators turned red, the scale of the infiltration became clear. The Joint Task Force had mere moments to isolate.
Maintaining a clear signal is paramount. These sophisticated anti-jamming systems represent the cutting edge of electronic warfare defense.
Faced with advanced enemy countermeasures, the pilots rely on split-second timing and evasive maneuvers. This remote facility, designated Site 73, operates autonomously. Its adaptive AI constantly.
Satellite imagery confirms the deployment of the new Chimera vehicles, designed for extreme cold weather operations. High above the pole, the new generation of reconnaissance satellites maintain constant vigilance over the contested Arctic region.
The orbital maintenance drones, designated as the 76 series, ensure the structural integrity of the Aegis platform. In an increasingly uncertain world, the Carrier Strike Group remains the ultimate symbol of conventional deterrence. The energy readings spiked dramatically just hours before the flyover. The dome, previously dormant, was now full. After centuries of turmoil, we look upon a calm Earth once again. But tranquility from orbit can be deceptive.
No clue for it, Lynn. The images coming out of the exclusion zone sparked immediate condemnation. As world leaders gathered,
deep in the Arctic, the joint Sino-Russian convoy pushes the boundaries of military cooperation, a clear signal to Western observers.
This is the new frontier of warfare. Satellite technology, once solely for communication, is now central to...
The Security Council met amidst rising tensions in the region.
We must act decisively to prevent further escalation.
The program cost for the new stealth bomber has now reached $1.2 trillion. Critics question if the $2.1 billion...
The true cost of the next-generation Carrier Strike Group exceeds the initial $175 billion breakdown. In this unforgiving environment, the soldiers of Task Force Blue maintain a constant vigil against unseen threats.
As the density of the debris field increases, the risk of collision becomes almost inevitable.
This was not a drill.
As the dawn breaks over the peaks, the ethical questions surrounding AI integration become clearer.
Deep within the Arctic Circle, the new front of the arms race is taking shape. A clear warning to the Western world.
The consensus remains elusive. While the satellite data confirms the deployment,
experts are sharply divided on the adversary's true intentions.
Deep within the command structure, the data streams told a different story. The official narrative was quickly breaking down as the first reports came in.
The deployment changed everything for the families back home.
We were told it would be quick. We deserve to know the truth.
The committee pressed the Pentagon for answers regarding the sudden withdrawal.
We maintain that the assets were deployed according to the agreed-upon timeline, Senator.
As the unfunded priorities list grew, the modernization budget became a point of contention. The 95th Squadron was requesting an unprecedented increase.
The Desert Hammer project faced its first major hurdle.
We have a redundancy failure in the targeting array, sir.
Then we are grounded until further notice.
The prototype A, seen here traversing the grueling desert terrain, represents a significant leap forward in armored reconnaissance. As the interceptor closes the distance, the system reports a guidance anomaly. A near miss confirms the vulnerability of the outer perimeter.
Fade into uncertainty.
Constructed in just under 3 years, the dome represents a significant leap forward in strategic defense capabilities in the high Arctic.
The Sentinel program, activated in 2242, ensures that nothing hostile reaches the surface.
Across the globe, these centers of commerce and culture maintain a fragile, yet persistent peace.
With the perimeter secured, the soldiers begin the methodical process of standing down. The convoy had been on high alert for weeks.
New era of deterrence.
Restroom. The evolution of space defense has necessitated a new generation of orbital platforms.
As the sun sets over the 31st parallel, the forward operating base remains on high alert. Tensions here have reached a critical point.
The newest generation of satellites, seen here in stunning detail, utilizes advanced propulsion arrays.
These faster interception systems utilize advanced targeting to neutralize threats far from their intended targets.
Silent, instantaneous, and devastatingly accurate. The age of directed energy weapons has finally arrived.
This massive assembly represents the largest global defense alliance in history. The successful transition of this technology from the battlefield to the home front highlights the significant spillover benefits of defense innovation. The technology spillover benefits from satellite reconnaissance are transforming agriculture, leading to a new era of sustainable farming.
Maintaining civilian access to low Earth orbit is paramount. From the desert floor to the vacuum of space,
this remote Arctic outpost represents the front line in our understanding of climate change.
this is the final dome formation, designated Subject 115 by the Department of Defense. The blue marble continues its silent journey. But even from this altitude, the sensors detect clear signs of...
Looking back now, the critical errors seem obvious. But in the moment, under that kind of pressure, the situation was far less clear.
Deep within the high-altitude passes, the 118th Motorized Division advances. But what hidden objective lies beyond the ridge, and at what cost?
This forward operating base, deep within the Arctic Circle, represents the new front line in an unseen war.
High above the desert sands sits the Shield, an omnipresent sentinel guarding the skies against threats.